Marami.
Hala, may buhok.
Ay, ganyan pala tsura niya sa loob.
Agong mo na yan, dali.
Ayos niya kayo.
Okay.
Ito kuya. Testing.
Tingnan natin.
Testing ko
Wala
kuya.
akong galaw. Uy, nangyari.
Tara natin kung kumakain. Yan. Buhok. Razor.
Testing, testing.
Na kuya, testing ko.
Oh, di ba? Dali, dali. Kahati sa camera. Mukhang natuwa ka mag-razor ah.
So ayan, pag nakita nyo yung nagugupit na yan, saan nyo na.
Matakot na kayo. Okay pala yung Castrol 20W50 ng oil sa razor. Engine oil.
Yun ang tilo.
Nakakaantok. Parang minamasahe yung ulo.
Dito gupit niya yung buhay po. Buhay na buhay yung gupit niya. Sarap sa ulo na, natutulog na eh.
Nantok ako. Sarap albolet. Pati yung razor. So,
Di ba kaya tayo mo?
successful rebuild.
Ay naman pala, ayos pala yung bata niya.
During reassembly, use oil. I use engine oil in places where there are moving parts. Whenever this is turned off, the control arm inside is in its neutral position. When you adjust the blade, you align the main blade to the moving blade. Align them perfectly as much as possible. So whenever the control arm moves, this moving blade will swipe from left to right of the main blade. So it will cut your hair perfectly. Because if it's not aligned, you will have an impression that the blade is dull. But actually it's not dull. It's just misaligned. So don't forget to use oil in places where there's a moving part. Second is align the blade perfectly.